In this video, I will be solving the in order problem of the logic 1 section. Here comes the 5 seconds break for you to pause and attempt this problem on your own. Alright, let's read the problem statement now. Given three integers a, b, c, return true if b is greater than a and c is greater than b. However, with the exception that if b okay is true, then b does not need to be greater than a. So in the in order method, we will be given three integers a, b, c and a boolean b okay. And we need to return true if b is greater than a and c is greater than b. However, this condition changes on the conditionally on the basis of b okay. In case b okay is passed as true, in that case b does not need to be greater than a. So we can remove b greater than a condition from our original condition, and hence in case b okay is true, then only c must be greater than b. So how to solve it? It's quite simple. We can write if b okay, it means if b okay is true, then we return true when c is greater than b. Else we return true, else we return true when this condition follows. Return b should be greater than a and c should be greater than b. So this is the final code. Now let me copy it and add it here and run the test cases to verify the logic. All of the test cases are passing. Now let me also submit it on the platform once. Working fine, but we can also simplify this code and get the result in a single line. Let me show you how. By making use of ternary operator. So we use return b okay. If b okay is true, then we use only c greater than b condition, else we make use of both b greater than a and c greater than b condition. So this is the final result. Now let me submit the final code on the platform. All correct, and push this code on GitHub. In order tests. Okay. And verify that code has been uploaded successfully. Done.